Let's be honest, volatile times can shake even the most grounded professionals. Whether it's layoffs, budget cuts, leadership changes, or just the unknown, uncertainty has a way of making us question everything, even our own abilities. But here's what I want you to know. Your strengths don't disappear in chaos. In fact, when things are shaky, your strengths are your stability. They're your anchor, your power tools, and your way through the storm. Let's talk about why leaning into your strengths during volatility is not only effective, it's essential. And I'll walk you through 3 tips to actually do it. Here's why this works. When everything around you is changing, what you know about yourself becomes your grounding force. Your strengths, what you do naturally and exceptionally well, don't rely on the market, the economy, or your org chart. Using your strengths helps you stay clear on your value, make confident decisions, and lead with consistency, even when things feel unpredictable. It's not about pretending everything's fine. It's about showing up from a place of inner steadiness because you know what you bring to the table. Here's the first tip. Name your anchor strengths. When things are uncertain, your go-to strengths are your lifeline. Ask yourself, what do I do consistently well, even under pressure? When things get chaotic, what strength do I naturally lean into? Is it problem solving, empathy, calm under pressure? Write down 2 or 3 anchor strengths and keep them visible. That quick reminder of how your core strengths can reset your mindset in moments of doubt. Second tip, use your strengths to add value right now. Volatile times call for visible impact. Instead of shrinking, show up. Ask yourself, how can I use one of my strengths to help my team navigate this? Is there a challenge where I can apply my natural skill set? Maybe you're a connector. Start checking in with your teammates. Or you're a big picture thinker. Offer a fresh perspective in strategy meetings. Small, intentional actions using your strengths equals adding value. My third tip is reflect on past wins. In uncertain times, it's easy to forget how capable you really are. Take 10 minutes and write down 3 moments where your strengths helped you navigate a challenge. What was the situation? What strength did you use? What was the outcome? This builds a powerful bank of evidence that you've got what it takes, not just in easy times, but in hard ones too. You don't need to have all the answers during uncertain times, but you do need to remember who you are and what you're great at. Your strengths are your power source. They help you stay steady, lead confidently, and create impact no matter what's going on around you. So here's your next move. Identify your anchor strengths. Use one to add value this week and reflect on a time you've done it before because you probably have. Volatility comes and goes. Your strengths, they're yours to use anytime. If you like what you heard, subscribe for more leadership and mindset strategies to thrive through it all.